Hi, Ben here. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to reverse samples in FL Studio. Find a sample you want to reverse and open sample settings by double-clicking it. Click reverse, and that's it really on how to reverse them. If that's all you needed, then there you go. But if you want to stick around, I'll put the usefulness of this in context with an example. Let's listen to this transition leading into the chorus. It's good, it got elements fading in and all that, but it could be even better. I think more action in the highs would do the trick. So let's see if there's something in the FX group we can use for that purpose. How about this one? Let's click it so it's selected as our clip source and place down a copy of it besides the original, like so. Before we do any further adjustments, we have to make this copy unique. Click this tiny sample icon above the sample itself and select Make Unique. FL Studio will now consider this to be a completely new sample. Now we can make adjustments to either one of them without affecting the other. Let's open sample settings and reverse it. Don't worry if the sample disappeared like it did here. We can just press S to select our slip tool and drag it till it's back in view again. Let's place it beside the original sample and have a listen to the results. It's subtle, but it really does make a difference. From this point on, it's all about making adjustments to your taste and what's best for your track. For this track specifically, I think I would like to cut the sample when the drum fill comes in, to give it more room to breathe. But don't be afraid to experiment with this. You can, for example, add some delay and reverb for a more smooth transition. If you have any questions or if something wasn't clear, you can leave a comment down below and I will do my best to help you out. Like and subscribe for more FL Studio tutorials, and don't forget to click the bell button and turn on the notifications.